Hi, in this video you learn how to model JSON data in Oracle NoSQL Database. To build server-side application, Angela would need to model candidate data and design and optimize queries over the sample or test data stored in Oracle NoSQL Database to meet the requirements we saw previously. To do that, firstly she identifies sample data for three dummy candidates, namely John Smith, Aarti Krishnan, and Jerry Simmons. Apart from the usual information such as the first name, last name, and date of birth, and few other fields which are common across all candidates, John Smith has 3 degrees with detailed information such as start date, end date, degree name, and activities. Whereas Aarti Krishnan has 2 degrees with same details, and Jerry Simmons has only 1. Further, John Smith has around 16 skills with endorsement details, whereas Aarti has only 3 skill sets and Jerry Simmons has 8. In this kind of a scenario, you see that Angela does not have a set schema and has user records with varying data. Therefore, modeling this kind of data in a conventional approach is very cumbersome and is hard to maintain. So, Angela chooses to store the user profile data in Oracle NoSQL Database using the JSON data type. Using JSON format not only helps Angela to model the complex user profile easily, but will also further help her evolve the data model for future needs. With the JSON data type, she creates a table called Candidates Table, which has 2 columns, the UID and the Candidate JSON column. The UID is the primary key used uniquely to identify a record, and the Candidate JSON column holds all professional details related to the candidate within a single JSON column. Let us look at how John Smith's data is modeled in the Candidate JSON column. We see that general information of John Smith is recorded under Profile, whereas his educational details are stored in another nested JSON object named Education. Employment details such as the company for which he's worked, the tenure of work, short description of his job profile are recorded under Profile, along with the skills acquired and the years of experience with each skill listed under Skills. Likewise, Angela has modeled Aarti Krishnan and Jerry Simmons' data. Though Aarti has only 3 skill sets when compared to John, her data is modeled in the same manner as that of John's. Now, let's look at the candidate.json.java file. This is the program that Angela has put in place to create the tables and insert candidate data. In this file, you see that the program will connect to the Oracle NoSQL Database cluster named KV-Store using the default host 5000, and then the program creates the candidates table using these lines of code. As discussed previously, the candidates table has only 2 columns, UID and candidate JSON. If we scroll down, we see that after creating the table, the program creates the necessary indexes within the JSON data to speed up data retrieval for certain queries. At the end, the program loads the data into the Oracle NoSQL database by calling the load table method. Angela executes this Java program to create and load candidate details to the Oracle NoSQL database. After running the Java program, she verifies that the table and the indexes are successfully created. Now, Angela has modeled the sample data, created the necessary indexes, and has loaded the data into the Oracle NoSQL database. The setup is ready for Angela to design queries as a candidate and as a recruiter.